Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Right now, we're doing breakfast at our property. As I mentioned, we are staying at Taj right now. We are starting off with some omelets and Ross omelette. We're now done with breakfast, and to be honest, the breakfast at Westin was way better. Agree? Like way better, matlab Westin ka breakfast is the best breakfast. She and I.
Fresher.
Yeah, fresher, variety,
Wholesome.
and food was just, you could say, 5 star.
And flavorful as well.
Yeah, this was more like a 4 star breakfast.
This was just, there was variety, I'm not gonna deny that. But very.
Average tha, to be honest. Okay. But anyways, this view though is a view to die for. We are now on the terrace of Taj Horizon, and this is the horizon in the view. They also have a infinity pool on top here. Can you see?
For 5 minutes of that time.
Yeah, here to pakka will get tanned. Although the bottom infinity pool we might not get tanned as much. They're doing water sports also. Very nice, very nice. Let's test the iPhone zoom capability.
Oh my god.
Not bad.
Yeah. That improved.
Infinity pool का मतलब पानी goes till infinity and beyond.
It just means that it looks like
It goes to
it's
infinity.
a continuation of the water. Of water.
It's a continuation of the water.
Of water.
Of water as per Shefali.
Looks like that's an illusion, no?
Shefali, I'm going to give you one word now and I want you to talk for a minute straight about it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I want you to talk about fish for a minute straight.
Fish are cute animals. They come in different varieties. You can eat them also, you can look at them in water also. There are different types of fish like pomfret, Finding Nemo.
So fish is.
Snapper.
So why are you
Pasta.
talking about fish like it's food? Why can't you talk about it just like every other living organism out
It's
there?
my wish, right? You didn't specify that in your
Okay,
question.
fine.
Did
Continue
you?
talking. You have 30 seconds more.
Basa, snapper, kingfish, and so many fish are found in rivers, the ocean, sometimes even lakes if you're lucky, sometimes even ponds if they are put in by human beings. They're color, they're different species.
And time. Now hold the camera at me. Give one word and I'll talk for a minute. What do you want me to talk about?
Fine, beach.
You want me to talk about beach?
Yeah.
So beach basically is a part of the ocean which is accessible to mankind. Okay? Although you can see the entire coastline here, but the entire coastline is not the beach. Beach is only parts where we can go into the water comfortably. The rest of the coastline has ubad khabad. You understand ubad khabad, like rocks, trees and whatnot, so you can't go into the water
English.
directly. Beach has a different type of sand also. The sand on the beaches is usually a lot more finer, feels good on the skin, and in some cases you can bury people in it as well. For fun, recreation, not for any other purpose. What else you want me to talk about the beach?
Time
The
up.
beach also rhymes with peach, which I have. Yo, what's up, gang? It's your boy Oki Mohit. We are now heading out for lunch. How's the fit check?
There's a car behind you.
That car's gonna hit me. Polo tee, blue shorts, and my bugs. How do I look? Of course, the Gucci glasses which you guys saw me buy. There's the fit check. We are now heading out for lunch. I'm walking towards my scooty. It's a very humid day out here, but nonetheless, I'm excited to go eat, and then I'll be back to go into the pool. What do you have to say? Okay, she is speechless, guys. I left her speechless. Alright, so we're out here. This place is called Soul Curry. This place was about 10 minutes from our property. Now, her attention is elsewhere because she just saw Vespa, which is lavender in color. Now, she wants this. In first year college, Shefali had a black Vespa, but she is attracted to this. I'm telling her that you can't ride this in Bangalore because Vespa doesn't sell this in lavender. This is probably custom done. In Goa, you won't get caught, but Bangalore police, everybody will catch you. Boss, you're not allowed to change chassis color. That's illegal. Come. Okay, let's go. This is also a thali restaurant. Is this the entry? Where? This is the entry.
An all day.
No liquor will be served.
cuisine.
Dry day. हमारे लिए तो रोज dry day. Let's go. Guys, unfortunately, we have to leave without eating. They have kicked us out because we were too good looking for this place. Correct, Shivali? They kicked us out because we were looking too good.
I'm so pretty.
You're so pretty. That's why they kicked you out. Yeah. So because we got kicked out, we are now here at Fisherman's Wharf. Not too far away from Soul Curry. About 3-4 minutes. 3-4. Hello.
500 meters.
More than 500.
Hey, it showed 450 on maps.
From there to here is probably more like 800 meters, but yeah. So Fisherman's Wharf, mein, this is what we've ordered. Some fish curry, rice and fish fry. These guys didn't have a fish thali, so we had to order individual items. Let's hope it tastes good though. Guys, they kicked us out of here as well. 2 places have kicked us out because apparently we are too good looking for them. They want people, average looking people. They don't want people who are well dressed, you know, wearing expensive clothes, expensive shoes, expensive glasses. They don't want that. Hai Fast forward to the next day. Our Goa trip is now coming to an end. हम लोग एयरपोर्ट आ चुके हैं. कल रात को डिनर के लिए कुछ फैंसी नहीं किया. We just went to another Goan thali place. Now we are heading to our check-in counter. Time to go back to Bangalore. How was the trip?
It was
Good trip.
good trip.
Little
Yeah,
luxurious.
good trip. It was a great trip.
So guys, we're doing a snack on the flight. It's basically a veg roll, veg puff, because Vistara usually serves something on the flight. How is it? It's too hot though. Oh,
Touch it?
oh bro, it's burning hot. Guys, home sweet home. We are back to Bangalore. How does it feel to be back?
Nice.
Feels nice.
Oh, no, I don't want to be back.
You don't want to be back? It's because she has to now look for a job, guys. My job is to talk bullshit.
And
Her
keep you all entertained.
Yeah, my job. Bro, it's raining or what?
Yeah, that's what
Motherfuck, it's raining. Classic Bangalore welcome.
nearby.
My house is not nearby, boss.
It's 1 hour lesser than my house.
Anyways, now we are fulfilling our tradition of going to Subway. Shefali and I always eat at a Subway either while departing or while arriving. So
Mostly while arriving
Yeah.
these days.
mostly while arriving. So we're going to be doing my classic Subway order, which by the way tastes amazing. Correct?
I agree.
It is amazing. Multigrain bread, Italian BMT with extra tandoori chicken. Add on. And both sliced cheese and mozzarella cheese, both. Add on. Triple roast madbidi. Triple roast. This is my Subway order. It's a foot-long Italian BMT, which is triple roasted with cheese slice and cheese pull. It has extra tandoori chicken and all veggies. For the sauces, I have put tandoori mayo, southwest sauce and sweet onion sauce. Banging order. Let's see if he managed to make it tasty. Oh baby, doll mein sone di. Oh baby, fall off. You fell for me. Or you fell for my Subway order.
Time for your supper.
I don't think you can eat the entire thing.
I told you I can't.
You eat how much ever you can. I will take the rest home and I will eat it for dinner. By the way, this order is 1,400 rupees at the airport.
Guys, I'm broke because of him.
She's broke because of me. But at least it's all going on food. Tummy happy, me happy. Okay? Messy sandwich, okay? Lot of sauce. Oh my god. Spilling.
That's not the way you eat a sub.
How do you eat up?
I'll show you.
Now she's gonna teach me how to eat.
Guys, his parents taught him everything. He just failed to acquire that knowledge. Because he was a stubborn, naughty kid
Yum.
who was
They can't hear you. You need to
not a
talk
good
louder.
kid. In short, he sucks.
We shall now take your leave. Yet another Goa vacation is.
I feel like I didn't talk only that much on this trip, no?
You never talk. You look at yourself in the camera, you do this.
Shut up. I feel like no. I feel like this vlog series especially, I hardly spoke. Don't you think so?
Great. It's best when you keep your mouth shut. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next vlog.